There are many ways to use selections. In this example, we're going to make a shaded object starting out with a selection. We're going to grab the oval marquee tool and draw out a circle. There's our selection. Creating a new layer to put our object on that layer, we're going to fill this circle with the light blue color. And now what we're going to do is show you the direction of where the light's coming. I'm using the drawing icon that allows me to draw outside of the image as well as inside, so basically ignore the selection, changing to a crayon brush. And this will be the direction that the light is coming from. Your light source will be up in this corner. The light will fall onto the ball. This area right here will be the lightest. We're switching over to the dodge and burn tools, which are found in the photo brushes and the dodge tool, which is actually going to lighten the area that's painted. So go back to your drawing icon, choose the drawing icon that says just paint inside the selection. It's the third one over, and start painting along the ball. Going repeatedly over one area will lighten it. Lighten it more than others. Notice that I am following the edge of the object here. So making a straight line across it is not going to do the effect that you want. Now we have our highlight set up here, but the opposite side is going to be shaded. So we're going to switch over to the burn tool. Burn. And again, with this third icon selected that says just draw within inside the selection, we're going to follow the outline of that object to darken that side of the ball. And the more you go over it, the darker and darker it will get. And the burn tool does have a tendency to sometimes shift your colors. So you may want to switch to another brush of one sort or another. I'm going to switch to the digital airbrush. I will choose a darker blue and come in and start adding a little more color. And darken it up even more. So now it's looking a little bit more like a rounded sphere. But the sphere is sitting out in the open. It needs a drop shadow. I'm going to add a new layer and drag layer 2 below layer 1 in the layers palette. We're now going to be painting on layer 2. I'm going to pick the selection drawing icon that allows me to draw outside of the selection, and using the digital airbrush, I'm going to start painting in the drop shadow. And again, the closer it is to the ball, the darker it's going to be. And if you want, you can come in and you can use your burn tool to even darken that area. So there you have it. We started out using a selection, and with the selection we created an object using the drawing icons. We were able to work inside and outside of the selection, and you now have a shaded object.